Hello everyone. So we have came up with a new feature where you can be able to restrict the document creation if the quantity is exceeding than the parent document. So suppose if a PO is created of 10 quantity, so you can restrict that inward or the document cannot be created more than 10 quantity. So from where you can do that, you need to go to all modules. Then after you need to go to settings module. Once you will go in setting module, go to documents. After going in document, please check. Here we have added a new option, document restriction. Go to document restriction. Please check. These are the set of restriction on purchase and sale side. Inward quantity cannot exceed PO or SO quantity. You can just check this, and then after the inward will not be created more than 10 quantity. 10 quantity is just an example for the PO. Purchase invoice quantity cannot exceed POSO quantity. Purchase invoice price per unit cannot exceed POSO price per unit. Now, PO also does have the price. So you can restrict that if suppose PO is of 100 rupees. In invoice, it cannot exceed 100 rupees. So that the user will be restricted on the same while creating the document. Now, coming to the same, you can check sales invoice quantity cannot exceed OCSC quantity. Sales invoice price per unit cannot exceed OCSC price per unit. Accordingly, performa invoice quantity and performa invoice price per unit restriction is also available. You can use this feature in order to prevent the extra goods inward or extra goods outward also related to the price. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your quantity and price as per the parent document. Have a good day ahead.